Today I thought I will make short video because I have bolt which is broken and it's sticking like this, or maybe like that out. So one of the options was to take a nut and weld on it. Still hot. And try to loose it up, but unfortunately I don't think it will loosen up. I can't heat that part. I can't do anything, to be honest, and I decided to drill it out. What I did is I took this 8.8 bolt, put it in this thing like this, and drilled a hole, 3mm hole. Then I cut it, part of it, and I have a nut here and part of the bolt with the hole. This way, when I put this nut on that sticking end, I will have exactly center, and this way I could drill it out without, I hope, without damaging the thread. If I damage it, then this will come in handy. But I think I will be able to. I'll show you in a minute what I'm doing. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, so with this I got center, and this is how I made it. Yeah. You won't believe, don't believe, this is the tip of the bolt. Yes, this is the tip, and this is what I get with it. It's just because I drilled from this side, from here, bolt got stuck and come out, and this piece came out with it. This is just a thread. I don't know if I damaged it here, but for me it looks good. I don't think I damaged it. It looks like everything is okay. So this is what you get when you get to do in the right order, and when you get as close as 0.2 millimeter. So okay, what did just happened? So I had a bolt which was tightened in, and it was broken from this side, and from the other side I had just a little tip like this. So what I did, once again, to show you exactly everything, I drilled a hole exactly in the center, 3mm. It doesn't look like in center because there are some markings and everything, but it's in the center, believe me. So what I did next, I grinded part of this nut, because if you can see here, it has a little way without thread, so I grinded it so the thread is on the top. And what I did next is I screw it on this like that, and I cut part of this bolt here. with the hole, and I screw it in there like this. So what was next? I drilled with 3 millimeters. I had exact center. Everything was fine. Focus. Okay. So I drilled 3 millimeters. Then I removed this, drilled 5 millimeters, and because this was 12, yes, 12 in diameter in millimeters, and step of the thread was 1.75. Yes, 1.75. From the table I knew I need 10.2 drill to drill a hole and to make a thread with this one. So if I need 10.2 to make a thread, I took 0.2 millimeters less. It was exactly 10. So I took drill that is 10 millimeters in diameter, and from this side I drilled it, and it drilled all the way. When it was left, I don't know, just the tip, yeah, just the tip, drill stuck, and this came out in this direction. With it came out this thing. As you can see, this is right here. Yes, it's broken here, but it came out with this tip. And what it is, it's only the thread of the bolt, nothing more, just the thread. I didn't damage the thread inside the part. I didn't damage anything. I just took out, rested that bolt. That's it. So if you ever face anything like that and you will have to drill, remember two things. First is center with a small drill, then a little bit bigger drill, and then the drill according to the table minus 0.2 millimeters. Or even sometimes you should go, like in this case I took 0.2, but I think I should have took like minus 0.3 maybe, or maybe not, I don't know. I didn't have an option, like it should be 9.9 millimeters drill. I think that would be a little bit better. But I took a look. took a look. Okay, I took a look at the part, at the thread in the part. It wasn't damaged. It was all okay.